Prepare to be humbled by the sheer scale and majesty of the natural world. Giants of the Wild is your invitation to step into a realm where the ground trembles with footsteps and shadows are cast by living mountains. This is a unique opportunity to stand in the presence of nature's most magnificent large-scale creations, from the iconic great whales of the deep ocean to the towering elephants and giraffes of the savanna. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants are the biggest, while Asian elephants have smaller ears and rounder heads. Elephants live in savannas, forests, deserts, and swamps across Africa and Asia. Elephants are very strong. They can carry loads over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, with their trunks. Rhinos have been on Earth for over 50 million years. Some of their extinct ancestors were woolly and lived during the Ice Age, and one species. Rhino horn is illegally trafficked for use in traditional medicine, despite having no proven medicinal value, and for ornamental dagger handles. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. Wolves have 42 teeth built for tearing meat and crushing bone. Wolves can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, when chasing prey. Wolves are carnivores. They mainly eat deer, elk, moose, and smaller animals. Wolves can live 6 to 8 years in the wild, but up to 13 years in captivity. Flamingos belong to the Phoenicopteridae family. Flamingos are very social. They live in large colonies that can include thousands of birds. Flamingos build cone-shaped mud nests to keep their eggs safe from flooding. Flamingo chicks are born gray or white and turn pink after eating carotenoid-rich food over time. Ducks are aquatic birds that live near ponds, lakes, rivers, and marshes. They belong to the Anatidae family, which also includes geese and swans. Ducks have a special oil gland near their tails. This keeps them dry and warm, even when swimming all day. Ducks are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and small animals. Their diet includes grass, seeds, insects, Horses have lived on Earth for over 50 million years. Horses belong to the Equidae family, along with zebras and donkeys. Horses usually live for 25 to 30 years, but some live even longer. Horses can see almost 360 degrees around them, but they have 2 blind spots, right in front of their nose and directly behind them. Pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. It makes up about 99% of their diet. They can eat for up to 14 hours a day, munching on bamboo leaves, shoots, and stems. Pandas belong to the bear family, Ursidae, and are technically carnivores, but they mostly eat plants. Sometimes they eat small animals, eggs, or insects for extra protein. Pandas are excellent climbers. Cats are born hunters with sharp claws, quick reflexes, and excellent night vision. Even well-fed pet cats still love to chase toys, bugs, or shadows. It's in their nature. Cats can see in light 6 times dimmer than humans can. Their eyes have a special layer called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light and helps them see in the dark. Sheep are domesticated mammals that have been raised by humans for thousands of years. Sheep belong to the same family as goats, called bovidae. A sheep's body is covered in thick wool, which keeps them warm in cold weather. Sheep have horizontal pupils, giving them a wide field of vision. Sheep are herbivores, eating grass, hay, and leaves. Cows are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies and produce milk to feed them. Cows are one of the main sources of milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, and cream. A healthy dairy cow can produce over 25 liters, 6 gallons of milk per day. Cows have an excellent sense of smell and can detect scents from up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. Cows are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies and produce milk to feed them. Polar bear is the largest bear species and the largest land carnivore on Earth. A large male can weigh as much as 10 grown men. Polar bear can consume over 100 pounds, 45 kilograms of blubber in one sitting. Polar bears are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Their greatest threat is climate change. Zebras belong to the horse family, Equidae. They're close relatives of horses and donkeys. Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, to escape predators. Zebras eat mostly grass, but also leaves, herbs, and bark when grass is scarce. They spend most of the day grazing, and their strong teeth are made for chewing tough plants. Our journey is a deep dive into the biology and behavior of these colossal creatures. We'll investigate the physics of a giraffe's towering neck, discover how the heart of a blue whale is as large as a small car, and understand the complex social structures of elephant herds.